persons, members of the federation, who they want to benefit from this, and then we'll assign them to the various learning centers across the country. So yes, and this 50,000 is what is coming in through the federation. It does not mean that that is the total number of persons with disability. There's anybody on their own who is not part of the federation's list, but is a person who is differently able and wants to attend or use any of our facilities. They're very welcome to go online and register like every other citizen and take part. But we have a dedicated quota of 50,000 for our brothers and sisters who are differently.
And someone Samuel Nate George, you are so for ya in Kitaudian Samso, ya on Ukroya, Ningo Pram na Shebejani, what they a two ja, Nana appointed to coup and a diamond boy a bray.
I was saying about bedroom so dear. Way as Antimamu, a Kubia Trinity Yamanyoku, your from Ghana base. Na Ghana base, no, say your base, dear, why he built. Until one much has here, Eddie Fras Antimamu, or more call home walk. Ewie one and trafo ekasai na ekono trofo ya oda won ma no asese won na ehwe akire ewura chiri ya boaten wo kire de ntia wo maka won ho abom ne de ntia asantema mu nso no wo makofiri ase.
It's about time we look for the third force to build our country. The two forces, NDC and MPP, is what we have realized that they will never help the youth of Ghana in terms of job creation, in terms of entrepreneurship, in terms of future hope. So this party has come down. We are moving around, registering members from Kumasi markets, Edum, PZ, and all over KJTIA to make sure the people who want the third force to come to power should join us, so that we will build the third force to come to power in 2028. And the man who will become the leader of our third force, he is a man that has a vision like Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. He is a man who dreams to build companies, factories in the industries, and he can do it because he's a man who is already doing it.
He's already doing it. We ya boatia. Wono na ye acting secretary. Edema Ghana base kui. Na sa kui Koviedu ajako woka ho na wono nso kasa bi na ebubuza sa sa base we base benya na ya boaten kasa nso no woka na third force cheda third force na sa force benya eno nso ajako Koviedu nso eka bi kan ho.
The base Ghana first we ekua ye keke ho abom 16 regions ni nka amanyekua kese na dada no we nyina nim se amanyekua kese e wo hai NDC ni MPP ni nyina ye Ghana fo na enso sura tada ayata fra bi ase wa nani obebutu anko NDC a na ko MPP eno na enipa bi atena se da bi se third force ba bibi enko ye bi na bibi ensisi na fam bi a wo amanyekua ni mu adama wo mani ayede ada ho aninti na nipa nyina esufre obi a sabe ono die waya na din se ejadifo odino ho tourism betimi abakura yi mu obi biara betimi aye naduma anya sabe abrante anya ne so ne die na nkoye se ebi a yebeto aba ne bewie no ankoye minister bi ni MP bi ni nkrofo a na je se abadwafo die ye nyina ya ye de
ei ora Koviedu ajako no eke bedam wono na akasai enti sade wo mo oboso no force na midi kan busa no chada de ni new force na wo mo ka third force na wo mo Ghana base okwa asantema mu a titina ne otua wo ma no sa asantema ntan no chairman malamisa na wono nso edi bi so se de wo pa ade akokotoko yanya na bro de ntia wo no ma sha ase afiri asantema mu no eno nso wo kiremi
Ghana mabunu enyi anyuma so wonhwe ma oya graduate a omo wa bonten a o ma wie tertiary institutions ni mu a woni nyuma ya sabi dia uncountable Ghana o ma mu ye adwuma no efa eje o ma mu nyerebe enye adwuma ejide yan kan se de di ba no onkwa ne betumi akwa aba Ghana mabunu na nyuma le bei ayo ejide atie no o ma so de bezi ni ba essence enuma enye o ma no ayadan ye kan ni baba ye kan ni dio the whole Ghana obia ni say obia ye kan ni ma ojimi creative na bai enuma e ma maburu enye bi enyo eji ye sira maburu Ghana maburu ye pa ba to so a
electrics, majority of Ghanaians now want to have an electrics, group, so 8 group, this is say, when you are here now John the Baptist or Black Rapano, I'm the base leader.
Enti John the Baptist no ne hwan a eno ya asemisa ena efa agyenkwa no hwan enti ebi no mu busa wo se sa third force yi Ghana base no efiri hen amanyokuo benya dada na mu ana afoforo bi na eba nanso sini awieye ena ebehu kyale sa asemi ba bedu ena tobre ye
eno na odimenyamfo anodompre wo ka no se we se odi oni 2ndc fo yi so a se ni ombeye ni wo mu aya ma chese amanyofo se wo mhokura nya akọ no ma se wo mso de ba akokura ba ye friend se the base Ghana first wo se we nyina ya ndc fo so manyo wo mu na ama amanyosama ye tantan wo mayi mu anodompre na ye kan wo se imagine se kokwa akuafo ya to mu koko na ekwa afinie koko no a yemfa sika ma won aban so agi koko no de akoton agi ne sika de awie nanso o musika yemfa ma won nanso aban nani abre edi sika botene wodi wura ha na wo sese sika de ba na wo sese sika de wura ha adan a wo okwa ya se dollar so ate cheso pese dollar so te na mo akuafo no so mbenya sika ni bi pa edi ahwe mbotom de eno de anya aban no nesu ne we nyina didimu a beda na ja ko no mo nkoka se watasi bi bai
Actually, Mena, some Indian be anxious. Now, Toko said, I didn't name Mundamase, Yamakum Tom, meaning said, Unyakopon, as I said, so call a judge you know, for Cabrabia, Cassia, and even to just said, last year, 2025, I would have $10 billion, and I would have share. Yes, you can say, see, you said, this is Cadian, the Monomosia. Because of 10, so rating, even 11.7 now times here. 10 billion, not so much spending 117 plus Ghana billion cities. Billion. That's a million. Billion. What they who are contact now, civil who are contacting you. A car, I buy in the cocoa for 1 billion. So that's 11 million. 11 billion now. I buy in the cocoa for a car. Now, so what the 117 billion, what do I share CD now say? Now, cocoa for Yana Nanomo, your papa no more, yes, no more, your jam no more, your mofra that ching, and yaban.
We ehun ban ni opa no oye beda ni enkan fa mfrafra sansan pani kura se ba akofo na kote mfa enso ye kan ye semfantefo enu nti we ye odemnyamfo Frank anodompre nso amado agiri mrase badwani a okwa mrase badwamu a wono enadom kuma no wo ye omotrene ena wogina kokofo mu a speakers sisi wa kese wo kasa kire kuafo na koko nua nyina etie bi kire se aban na nwene mo ho enu nti moso ansu moso ansa monsa samonsa
Abusia ye ransom fufrum na we Ghana Association of Auctioneers wanomo penny a wotua wo ma no na atworo krata se yemfa ma penny His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na de ntia ode krata yi ko no ense Chief of Staff Ora Julius Debra so na afi asoye hwe wo maya fi samso yora muntaka Mubarak Mohammed triple M aswasimra sebedwani wonsi na boboa no bi na de ntia wono mo kasa nyina ne se krata bi ne nam ya bapa na o ma chese we de efira ban ho na se assembly cast ne bia ne ya kire se aban ma ya krata se cast we nyina no aye dada ye ma wo hyen yanso ya wo hyen ne nyina no na won kokromuti etim so wo mo ana esan so ato ana pani a wono ene da Ghana Auctioneers Association ano owura Mama Nelson Henry eba chese saadi we die mpanimfo mrem enti mampani wo he wo tie bi yewra Julius Debra ena fowura Muntaka Mubarak mommanhwe momapa enya adwuma sa asama a wo kan no kontompo no wo twa momma awiamom.
There are certain persons that come out to say that they receive letters from the Chief of Staff office and then they go to see the directors of various institutions. That is us when we have had letters to dispose of by public auction and then they infiltrate into it. Sometimes we do not even get any of the cars to sell. I mean, they take all the cars away and at the end of the day they will come asking you to give a receipt and weigh bill to cars that you have not sold, and this I find very unfortunate. In fact, that is why I have come here this morning, because I have received a letter to the to the Ghana Oceaneers Association, and as the General Secretary of the Association, I think I need to find out if indeed the letter I've received is true.
And in Kratanina, one on in some nefa, as I was on a trotro Henry, Mama Nelson, no. And I was a Bansua, over to Secretary, the Chief of Staff Office neighbor, now almost a male or saying, Washington so cry a boy saying, Kai Chrono, or my fadida, near Sarkans as a one fan crat, I'm ready to say, Yaton, a brow one, when the BBA dancers, ya 20 weddie, and penny inform them, and Tessa, baby Ekakono, a drew, I draft from Peter Bremen.
Any a yaman in Ruho, Sansa and Pennyphobia. One was over here, says I dare we say, Ember Mukra. Yadi any tremo, our and some fufro emo. Na Yakwakopie, a year Center for Aging Studies. One University of Ghana, Legan, one more kabum edit maybe. Na Jumano Ayania, one more kabum base and fear dunie. Na Kamia said, Sompa Yenintino. No man for bebre, Shadan to once and bebre. Na one more buy a year for some pabe bars and a pepe peno. In fear do no, Yakwaka home, Apeja de Sim Conconsuo. Na Penia, one no, and I founding director, Edema Equi, your friend Professor Charles Maticoli. One na, what did you, Brana, Jeremiah Simpson, where Jan now hope, and was a jet. Falcomat here for the Ghana for the Yasia Mansan, you say, and Yajapan. Same fear do, Yadu baby, Yadri. Now, Bra walk as such an insimun. What can I say?
Our committee when I was the director. We had some 5-year strategic plan and 10-year plan. Looking at aging us now and the future. In fact, most of the programs that are now existed was started by our committee when I was the director. We had some 5-year strategic plan and 10-year plan. So where we are now, I'm so proud about after I left office, the center's mission, vision, and goals have been met by my successors, initially Professor Mavis Dakundeshi and now Professor Joseph Sarfo. The center continues to progress, continues to go higher and higher. And actually, I feel so proud about where we have come from. Despite our challenges still, we still keep going and keep going. So I'm so proud of my colleagues, especially the two directors after me, and all, but there are many more people who are not recognized, but who play a very dominant role in the center's role. And it's very, very important.
We are Professor Charles Maticoli. Wano ana wano di isa ekui ade by friend Center for Aging Studies. Na pania sabre wano na ejina mu denden ne se pani kwancha for ade ma ekui utwaneti yesefas. Aye Professor Joseph Osafuadu. Nia wani akoso enhira aye Sompa Rhapsody no wano ana wa chese no kure adwuma wo mo hya se nya na ofiedu na fom wo mo abre papa.
To say, okay, remember me and Sandy, and I said, it is really kind of say, yes, let's say, a buy, maybe me and I push it, the aging, the dignity, oh, need you, but we be able to us in the eye of 10 years, and once a year, you don't be as a way before, now is son, if any before, the hot time, and say, Sabi, will be asked, let's say, and will be asked, will be Yamana, you're going to be able to say, oh, you're opening it, and will be as well, young Diano. Nyamaya doma ohu akokra bi a wani kira ho enti the catch the France ohu panyi bi a oda akira ho hwe enti 10 years die asemo a wo se ka fa onyine ho enkomodi wo se eniemo afofo edi especially nante wane ba ya abana wo mu mpanyfo no ni nyina onyamaya dom 10 years aye pa
10 years no ebi wo mpa na aba he na akoda kete na wo abo ne na na obetimi awo no mpre be se ahe so no wo abo ne bayi enu nti onam sa akonya yi so ka kira ban se yenwe na wo mu anyini sa no ye mo mo ban ne ye mo mo bra na no betimi aboa ama man ne kura no yetimi akoye sansan pani kura se woni pani a eye adue
okay remember me and Sandy and I said it is dedica yes let's say aban e be piano ya pass the aging bill na etumi aye hwehwe bedding down e kwan refa so a be panifo na ye bu na enyom basabasa o se enyam bra no na e hwehwe eto de no ho budgetary allocation for example ye nya the aging authority a be hwehwe budgetary allocation be hwehwe o mapo moden ye be hwehwe o right ye be hwehwe e bia security o se de mo ye be hwehwe bia health bia national health insurance scheme e bia obi already 60 years could be occupation be an obaswa ubenya free treatment for certain illnesses almost 70 years now kidney problem a free but okay with the unconfirmed kidney problems if you go 50 55 45 even 36 until anka o ka no class we this is now kwa no asa ho ba ereyama we no so free wa the areas say you see a geriatric center you be research on aging ya church caregivers so they see atoto gokafo na na fi programs are hobe ayi ni no and also be hosted there we a geriatric hospital in Payfon gokafo na brafo kwa no
we Reverend Professor Joseph Osafuadu one na emprempren oya pani kwantrafo a wada Center for Aging Studies safas wada wa mo ano one Jeremiah Simpson na boss a enkomo yi eno nti bamaden na ye ka nyina no gasem no se won sanka wo de a tumirika kodwama so na kwaje wo de esesi a na emom hwe se ya tworo ho gasem super strong waterproof cement compare no na fasi udan no wo de fatwa blocks fa hyehye fa plaster kosi se wo de be ye screening na sefo no nyina asasa na wen ka no uwi a ne odi flow so no fa no abie na fa ye na do be wie no obeto me hu gasem super strong waterproof cement but modern apebi eno ne friend the nation builder no na udi ye odan no a obehunu sampa bibia dra kwa mu kama pa na sa the boys ne kwa site na mukọ ye adwuma no sa no a aduane a ode be mom no ma mo eni haji aduane bi kwareto ampa haji special local foods ebere no nti untimi nkọ unya ye kura nka auto bi so ma na iwo bi je numbers ne tew 0246 359 921 0246 359 921 na onempani abosa enkomo yi social media no so ba bia haja special local foods ya hwehwe yi ubehu ya kira kwan odi aduan na ekwa mesro ya fa nsuo ka ho ensuo no ya na da bia apam trans ya waka wase kan no na mpanimfo se ensuo ya benom no ya hwe nchenchen na wan hwe nchen ya besa ya de wan hwe nchen ya benom ne yensasa honom mepacho kasa natural mineral water eno ne nsuo no fa no ka aduan no na fa kọ ensuo se ka nipadua ho a eye pa na emom se wankọ pe ensu papa dia na eye nkoso ni aka nyina ye kotobekuma kasa natural mineral water dwumadie bi a wudi a wohia nsuo wase no pe no bi na fa ye odwuma na bibia enkoyie mfama wo mepacho tie Kasaloma Ventures one na din suwe ba ye kan ye papa nti bia na wonso nya ya nka betu bia ton the numbers ne to o type ha ya back hospital na chi wo na emom the numbers ye 0206 469 430 0206 469 430 na one no abo enkomo bia wo bia wo de bebro na onsusu watimi anya bia to na waton na bia atumi akoye pa ede amaw ye ka nyina wo bi se ye me na me so de ye me honam ye me ya ma paso asa ya bro me wasi ye na dia baifu ma na kora wo ma bro me saa mesra fansha bayi
Sompa FM
ena da bia ya na me ka se ya munso abaifu no obi kan asem de ahyem a eya momra me yi mu ho ano na mon ka se we di enim ho hwe na mon kan kire nipa ne se won ko be time he ba mixture antonom na be boa no time he ba mixture asem na me kan wo poso eye oya no ena wo de akwasha bayi enye wo mo nso nye hwe wanumu na ato wontimi ne di fansha bayi mesra pa sasabronzam bia nye wo hwe wo de no eye malaria fever ena achew saa no time herbal mixture ko pe bito na nom na hwe ade na bo nse se we nya bayi nya de bia ne de shabronzam mepacho uhia time herbal mixture no gina tro ne se muni aduaba no na momfa haban no emfa nsa yade Dr. Tafrija Bema wade haban no en wade sa yade no eye time herbal mixture bo mode na pe bito na emo apa enye na wo pharmacy ne herbal shops nyina mu hye ne nsoma me se we nya mo apemfo ba wo ma akoda nufo na akoda wo nya mfinhye dumie no wo a wo pe dodo na watu aton no gie numbers na frɛ 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 one mother roma en wo ma so yasene a ye de kase yi e de ebre wo ma yesima pe ye dane ho anum so kitua bi aba ye ba amanone nsem wa na watwi mu nyina no ye de besom wo no ye besansi ukoso
Edebo how krania ebo wa hweme wolwe busumi bia na nsu afro na hu nyina awrewre we ka ho a busumi mienu a mepenti me hu nya menye me ho kra biom ebo
kofi pa na se wontimi mfa penti nkunti azio hwe ohaw no ewo dan no mu ankasa o
Inti we the man day. He didn't put him a view.
Simple cra. Gasem super strong waterproof cement. Almost cement for fra why yen wa be for kwan so a die who buy free so home.
You swung by bo. And it's a way the repairs in Kwan.
Oh, that be minia. And no the money down so no. Che, who bet to media so was and so no. Ma wo penti kra na wa why ano. And now bet me so dey sidan.
Hey, sir.
Who bet to media foundation, block work, plastering, chese cement ba kwa. Who to me dey sidan. Na sama bambo mapano no.
Wow.
Gasem super strong waterproof cement. Cement ba kwa ye dey sidan. Na sam bohun ban. Sinu ye preko.
Gasem, the nation builder.
Emra, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bagi.
Bra, aden, enan so biem.
Hey, time heba me hwa ya me ka se yi ba kwin. Ani wo yi me ensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me hwa esia gyimi ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba me hwa me ka se me di one dance ya heaven ena de me kwa akopie. Enti se malaria we draw ne time heba mixture.
Enye enunku o, de nanum ato a wontimi ani die no. Time heba mixture duro no ena ye ma wo. Oba a wo fa afuro de wo ma akoda no fo. Any akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi se obeto aduro yi bi anoma hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab ame yehu se wo atridie malaria yi bi ansa se opeta meba Mr. Enui dudu atu a fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House ana ba ko so wo atonsu Monaco Junction
eno echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop dodo na emu
Fre 0244 417669
Kayo set time mono TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bia dani ziba ewo munu betu akọ
FDA agi ejodi nkratu yi atu
Defense Clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je 21st Clinic nkwa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de kɔ ne mama ade ba ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni faso uframa saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so eho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st Clinic still woman ye sciatica expert.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service, our Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wastrano ewiye brim, and am nensaso ama onyankopon we ya hon wade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some perfect service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ni asasi hia. Eye bro Nyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Ma some perfect service entwa wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda ni nyina share radins na erade beye.
TV Emma Akatuapa.
Okre Emma Akatuapa wo hwe TV no so. Na wutie wo FM no so. Afe se your phone was so data asiso a Sompa 106.5 FM Accra eno nso yedi atwago Facebook ho na Sompa FM live and YouTube. Na watch no mu nsam a na efa amano ne ho no edadwo ada. America mampani Donald Trump wo de one bi eba besene ko Iran. Echere se wo mu din hyehyɛ no so no wo mu ba ma deal no wo mu edele dia ene bibia bekɔbɔkɔ na mom wo mu ani so na wo mu sa atwe ntankwa anhweye wo bebubu hɔ foton na we nyina no na ye Strait of Hormuz ya na opese wo mu mie na wo kyɛ sɛ wo mu kura pilot bi a nyame nko a nka wodron ya wo mutumi ya bre ekoko yi no se wo ka pa sa America ehye de obese ne ntokwa ko ase a we ya critical pa obetumi edi ho adanse ne no na ebinom nso criticize se kobase bombo etuo ekokọ na ekọ timamufo so civilian ya etiamra
na no juoda na no me amofa America mampani Donald Trump say na ye Easter Monday no a na waka kira America man nyina say oh obepie mu abankase mu a White House wo wo kosua bebre ya wo de bekọ abontene e de a chichecha ma manfo nyina nya bia die na kosua nko akra wo no eburu be say 40,000 ni nyina no America akuafo ena de sa edua eye sa nkosua yi omo yen enkoko imu omo tutututu ye kama ena omo boaboa no a White House won ko ano kosua bro 40,000 ena na egu ha wa mo beche na no was that kind of see.
They didn't want me, as you know, just last year, it's hard to believe, they didn't want me to order eggs for the Easter egg roll, the Easter egg hunt that we have here every year. They wanted me to use plastic. I said, I'm not using plastic, we'll get it solved. And within a short period of time, eggs came down. They came down 40%, 50%. And by the time we got there, we had so many eggs, we didn't know what to do with them. And today we have more than 40,000 eggs supplied by all of the great egg farmers that are with us. So eggs is a big thing, and it was a big thing to our great First Lady, who's here someplace. Let's see. I think this is our First Lady. What do you think of our First Lady? She's a movie star. I don't know. Do we call her First Lady or a movie star? She has the biggest movie. Can you believe this? And she deserves it.
Wow. So, guys, we are moving back 2026. Last year, the anokra Easter egg roll now come by no. One must there be one for plastic. No, say me for plastic. Waka ya na nchebia na kusia so teye and a buy ya must say about drew 40,000 wo White House won kwa na one na yire me wa fire Melania Trump and I know what jine ho sa no and wo bon aba so kire say oh wonu aka say mukrade am hwe kire say wonu nie na wo yi na kire sa America mampani Donald Trump na no juoda no na no yi mo no sa
Sompa ene ya juoda na edabna da no mu sa Ghana mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama bra woko UN General Assembly wokoko boss se won beto nkoa edi firi ha na enokra atopapa bi ni won be cheche ye nanamo animdifo ahodenfo no ena de wo mo ekochechire wo mo man a ene ye kan Aristotle ane ye boss ho no ofiri abra Aristotle kura nka yi no tochi no ofiri krom he ya na ya ne sa na no na Zaya Yusuf wono na eba enkutahudi a wo onna ne amansa die ewo fie UK asem na mekan ana wo se UK for de se repatriation na Ghana mampani ka ho asem no ye de ye ni beto UK ye Europe man ni bia so abrechire hima krom se jama wo mo na befa ye nanamo ede wo mo koye a ene se bi ye de dan na we kura wono mo kan sa no Zaya Yusuf say sadia nanka wo mo ma abibifo ya Ghana fo ka ho ye ma wo mo nkrata ema wo mo time ko UK abrochire kokko ye adwuma enya sika de ba fie no say ye de repatriation na wo beto ye nkoa nom na eho ade e de babubo wo mo anim a ene efiri na ekọ visa kura wo mo de ma abibifo no anhweye wo mo begya ho asem ye no Caribbean community wo mo abobo so aboa e de kire se abibifo hweye na woman keka ne kwanse won keka ente saa ebeduru baabi no UK wokora munya kwan na campus amaba ho
na no brada no ano asembisi ye bio e wa America me wa Donald Trump e na wo ka se na no Jordan wodi kan ka se Iran fo ma ya deal woni ama enti saa brada no e na no wo ka kire se wo ma wo mo e kwa akosi be se anwumire no nwotwe one mama ya deal no dia eni asa na adwo no a wo betori Iran for so wure kura masese wo man no e beda na amamfo na wakasa say
Operation Epic Fury, where we're doing unbelievably well, well at a level that nobody's ever seen before. The entire country can be taken out in one night, and that night might be tomorrow night.
We America mampani Donald Trump ena yetene nkano na wakacho me say anadwo ba ko pe wobetimi ahye Iran fo nyina ase so one more ama me deal no a eno wonsem eno no
na obi nyom ase one night stand na chesa na jo baako na edabnada no America mampani Donald Trump osan kasa biu eno wo se sade eye Iran America na Israel ntokwai etwote ye pa bra wo musoma wo masrafo no bi wo hokura obese asem kosi ho a ensantrofo bi etime deport ye kire se o America for nasrafo no bi abaha they are on a mission na mission kro no wantimi ankyerechirem na stella wo mu hu se sai anamo a wo matu ni no enna mampane Trump benada no wo se nyase wo ka ama de hye na bobna ensantro ne kura wo leaki sa information no wo mo hwehwemu a ewie na ebo no a satie bia wo beda afiase.
We'll hopefully find that leaker. We're looking very hard to find that leaker, and talked about there's somebody missing. They basically said that we have one and there's somebody missing. Well, they didn't know there was somebody missing until this leaker gave the information. So whoever it was, we think we'll be able to find it out because we're going to go to the media company that released it and we're going to say, national security, give it up or go to jail. And we know who, and you know who we're talking about. There's some things you can't do because when they did that, all of a sudden, the entire country of Iran knew that there was a pilot that was somewhere on their land that was fighting for his life, and it also made it much more difficult for pilots and for the people going in to search for him. All of a sudden, they know that there's somebody out there. They see all these planes coming in. It became a much more difficult operation because a leaker leaked that we have one, we've rescued one, but there's another one out there that we're trying to get.
Eno America man penny Donald Trump ena edabnada no obi sa asemi so sa wo mo pilot wa ekowie na wo fight for the life no na ho ade ne sa de ye a eto te santrofo obi so ma ni ba ho a iranfo eso de ye ese ntokwa no anyene ne se no saafo no sa te bia be mamra no wadi edabnada Tuesday madi
na adwoda no nsem we nyina baaye no ena benada no Trump beye saade we nyina no na nadwo no anka deadline dey aso na ka 2 minutes ena Iran for say na omonam kwan so a won mo ba beye deal no eno mo baaye na adechi ukuada ena vice president JD Vance won ankasa wo kasa no chese no kure say de America any Iran for one more 2 weeks conditional agreement say one more the ceasefire e dey ba nanso Israel for modern toto bomb ni bi di akogo Lebanon na akwaya abra hosampa en na JD Vance chese no kure sa ceasefire ya o makwa die ebeboa pa na emom ne yawa kire bia no won behwe no maka.
What the president set out to do was decimate the Iranian military, decimate their ability to wage conventional war. And that military objective, as the president said yesterday, as I said yesterday, has been achieved. And because of that, what the president did is he basically issued an ultimatum to the Iranians. He said, open up the straits, stop trying to hold the world's economy hostage, and we'll engage in a ceasefire. And that's exactly the agreement that we came to last night. The Iranians have agreed to open up the straits. The United States has agreed to stop attacking. And that, not just the United States, but also our allies, have agreed to stop attacking. And that is the basis of this fragile truce that we have, which is now, 8 to 12 hours old.
We America mampania be de akire JD Vance na no ukuada no e no de sam komo yi ebreye
na eda ukuada no nso na US Defense Secretary Peter Hegseth no wono nso kasa bi no wode chese sade Iran fo wo mayeyire wo moto sa achechede to a wono mo mpese bibia betwam ewo Strait of Hormuz ho ansa na no je wo ma wo mo permission na se onema efa ho no wanka nkire won anase mpo sika wor mo hwehwe no wamfa mre wo ho se tie bia wo mbema wo bese atwere nchamato ne yase no ne no na Iranfo na ebokoko edawukuada no se wunu se wakofa nema edefa wo mu Strait of Hormuz ho ebefa wo na afo ho nko ade a ewa amamre ye so yo so wanya amamre no na akwati amamre no wo mbeyam sa hwehwema no ayen wo japade ewo mu nyina wo mo hwe se nipa wom anase nipa nim ni nyina ye se waya asombrache wani wo mo mra so na mu na Pakistan leader nso ene US na wo mo kasa se we dey sen 10 negotiation no wono mo yesa de be na wo mbe jai topaye no na atuo no to ente sa ya na eye asomdwie na afefa ahodie ne sunsum ɛna wɔn mu dum no
na ano ya wada no nso ɛna me wafa Donald Trump ɛne Mark Rutte ya wɔno ɔno na NATO allies no wɔyɛ panipa ya wada wɔ no sabre wɔne no kɔhyiaeɛ na no kora no ɔno NATO General Secretary nti NATO Chief ɛna wɔne no kɔhyiaeɛ na wɔn mu di kan hyia na anu ukɔda na nwumrɛ ɛna ya wada no Mark Rutte ba abɔntere na wɔne Sompa kase ɛbɔ nkɔmɔ because wɔn kɔɔ yɛ no na yɛ behind closed doors wɔn nso wɔn masa ntrɛni bia ma hɔ wɔn wie yɛ na ɔsɛ gya yɛ kɔ ne kɔmu sɛsɛ na nano mo nkɔmɔ ne kɔsi sɛ no so me ne wɔ fa kɔhyia yɛ no in fact na wa pa live pa na wa dwa live yɛ bi sanse wɔse NATO foɔ wɔn amɛboa ntɔkwa no kyerɛ sɛ wɔn America foɔ nko a ɛna wɔn akɔ wɔn ntɔkwa wɔn ne Israel na NATO foɔ yi nso so no sɛ yɛ bie Strait of Hormuz yi sɛ si yɛ ya NATO members kora na ebenya so mfa so kɛseɛ nanso ɛba asa no wɔne na kasa ama asomdwe aba.
As they would say in diplomatic circles, these conversations are very frank and open. But that's good, because we are amongst friends here. I mean, the president, myself, we like each other. We are good friends for many years now. And I'd rather have the conversation on the table instead of tiptoeing around it. And I sensed his disappointment about the fact that he felt that too many allies were not with him. And I explained to him yesterday, I said, hey, Mr. President, clearly the overwhelming majority of Europeans have done what the US asked of him and what was previously agreed in these circumstances. And yes, sometimes it takes a bit of time, but hey, guess what? We have coalitions in Europe, we have sometimes the political home front to take care of, sometimes it takes a couple of days, but then we pull together.
Mark Rutte no wano ana waya General Secretary edema aya NATO anu wa cheche se no kra wo ko mu afa na mu afa pilot pa but ne omu bia wo mu aka wie ama asumdwe abua wo mu anom ne kama pa
abusua eno yawada na yawada kro na nso no yentie nkomo a efiri Iran ebaaye na Iran ho na no wo mo so afo a wono na hwe amana ne ho nsam so Kati Bazet wano ene kasa yi na won de ase sade ekoso ewo eho ne entokwa no eho asam asi ayire nom ne ade na ewi abeteto paye na ekọ Lebanon ba bia nchinro na ewo no na eho nso akwa akudiwo ena pani de to so chese sabio de America ene Israel aka bom a wo mo yo no wo mo a won ka ho kura ena wo mo de wo mo farefare wo betimi aka ne pranye premfa se uwuram ewo Lebanon ho a nipa a wɔn nka bi nhyɛ mu na wɔn de adwene wɔn ho bɛyɛ sɛ hanu ne mmiɛnsa deɛ foto wɔn ati nananom wɔn nsɛ do ɛnam Israel America ntɔkwa wɔn de bɛkyekyere Iran fo kɔn mu no na wɔka ne nnɛ wɔkyena ka ho ya wɔda na no wɔka wɔ yi o sɛ America ngya deɛ wɔn yɔ no yɔ na wɔn ni da kwan sɛ Strait of Hormuz wɔn mu beebi a ɛne agoro bi na wɔn mu die.
It was a grave violation, intentional grave violation of the ceasefire. You cannot have a cake and eat it at the same time. That was the message that Iran sent crystal clearly to Washington and to the Oval Office last night. And our foreign minister also said that you cannot ask for a ceasefire and then accept terms and conditions, accept the areas that ceasefire is applied to, and name Lebanon, exactly Lebanon in that, and then your ally just start a massacre. Actually, it was a sort of genocide by the regime of Israel in Lebanon just immediately after the ceasefire was accepted. It is a type of practice that Israeli regime has always done, accepting ceasefire, then surprise attack, massacring, and that was a very bold message that we sent last night to Washington. Between war and ceasefire, they cannot have it both at the same time.
We yawada Iran wamoso afo ahwamana ne ho nsam so Said Katizade ena ate se wakasa ye
na no efiada no enra ya asem ne yekan yo na JD Vance was on committee bi ewo Islamabad eno wa Pakistan woni Iran for ne Israel for no omo kwa akosia na ja won ma kwadwendwen ne ma hu na meeting na nkasa no de eye ne na enra bra wo free White House na won na ni akire mu no okokora wode Air Force 2 ena no wade kɔ eno adwane pa eno so ne ho odene ena no wade kɔ ene ya kire no wankɔ na na ebusa so your excellency wanka bibi ankyere yen ba bia mu kɔ meeting no so ma men kan kyere Iran for say wɔn we o ma agyen so wɔn de America for adwen ba be di agoro de a agoro be di wɔn
We're looking forward to the negotiation. I think it's going to be positive. We'll, of course, see. As the President of the United States said, if the Iranians are willing to negotiate in good faith, we're certainly willing to extend the open hand. If they're going to try to play us, then they're going to find that the negotiating team is not that receptive. So we're going to try to have a positive negotiation. The President has gave us some pretty clear guidelines, and we're going to see.
Mampani Trump de wakyerɛ baabi a yɛmfa nkɔmmɔ ne nkɔfa yɛkɔ no nso no a ne yɛde kɔ na mmom sɛ wɔn yɛ wɔn adwene sɛ wɔn bɛtutu anoma ho de abɛkyerɛ anoma ne din ɛmfa nkyerɛ wɔn deɛ a yɛn de yɛbɛhwɛ paa yɛkɔhwɛ ne yɛhwɛ nso wie a yɛbɛhunu wei yɛ vice president J.D. Vance nea ɛnora wɔde to yɛn
ɛnora korɔ na yɛwie no America mampani Donald Trump ɛsɛ nkɔmmɔ a na ɛwɔ sɛ wɔne Iranfoɔ die deal no a n'ani abere ho no deɛ wɔn de kan hyehyɛ nyɛ no koraa saa nnwom no a wɔn to yɛ no na asa ɛna Iranfoɔ ɛsa no enti na ne yɛsie no nyinaa asie na ɛnom na deɛ ɛba wiase nyinaa ɔhwɛ apɔmuden ho nsɛm so World Health Organization wɔn pani a wɔtua wɔn ano sesei Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus ɛna wɔn nso de bɛto so ɛwɔ ne X hɔ wɔde kɔkɔto wɔn wɔkyɛ sɛ no kwasɛm ni deɛ ɛsie no ama yɛ asabea nkempo wɔn apirapira yɛbɛhwɛ wɔn no ɛno koraa no bibia ni hɔ ya wɔn betumi ɛde ahwɛ saafo na ma yɛyie enti wɔka ɛde akyerɛ sɛ sei wɔn de 5 shelter accommodating bi ɛma nipa bɛyɛ sɛ mpem yɛ hɔ koraa no wɔn san de ayɛ evacuation center ɛhwɛ na ɛhwɛ a na agya yɛfa afiri hɔ ne yɛde wokɔ baabi a yɛbɛtumi ahwɛ wɔ nanso ne nyinaa no wɔkyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ ICU anaasɛ deɛ wɔhi ne nyinaa sɛsɛe ɛwɔ mpɔtam hɔ a wɔn ntumi nhwɛ ayɛafoɔ ɛwɔ hɔ gye yɛde wɔn firi hɔ ɛkɔ baabi ɛda fiada no ɛna na saa nsɛm yi bɔ so a America mampanin sɛ deɛ ɛma nso ama wei nyinaa aba ne yɛ sɛ deal no a wɔn hyehyɛeɛ no ɛnyɛ nnwom no a wɔn to yɛ ho asa ɛna Iranfoɔ ɛsa no
Gasamfoɔ adaworo manti ɛna yɛde saa nkɔmmɔ yi nyinaa brɛ wɔ Gasam ɛyɛ Gasam super strong waterproof cement wɔn mo a Hajia special local foods ebo ye chidom ewa breko a cancer natural mineral water ema ye nsu papa anom na time herbal mixture so aka hono bie ama yetimenya mpomden pa na ye de abrɛ wo eno nti ebra wo no mo kasa nyina yi na anya nwum ya ye bo no eno na manfo osa no na ne nyina no Sompa 106.5 FM ye fa nanso Sompa 93.1 wo anya ye mu wono so je kase no ayiko 100.9 FM Adamfopa Radio ewa France ahinkro pari num wo mo se sebon Sompa 101.1 ewa takwa Sompa 103.3 ewa takorade Sompa 106.1 watachiman Sompa 98.9 wesunyane Sompa 90.7 eno wo nkoranza Sompa 101.3 eno wodoma ena doma ho na doma 100.7 wono so je kase ebopeten ye afei Kingdom 106.1 ewa mankasim wono so fa kase no ena Kaneshia Ban Radio enso je ye ebowura mu afa Facebook no ye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ena YouTube no eye Sompa FM Live www.sompaonline.com nso ensemi dodo na no ye kruche dia kogo wa bibie enso ka ho wo betimi akwakenkan bie ye sane mu a na ye sane ni nyina mu e de agu Sompa TV live loud and clear ama bibia etumi aye fine awie yi nsemo a ye de bedi wo ntoa no na poso bie ene se
Ora Sam na te George say LGBTQ+ no enya se wo magye ato ho wo mbebo ama ho atete kosin se mampani obesan nanso sesie yi no wono mo ye de ehia no ama o man no ansa de fata wo mayo
ni ehia no ebi ni laptops 6500 ya wo mo de ma ewo national digital program ne so wo mo akasa ho Sam George Kuruya
Ora Henry mama nursing wono na Ghana Oceaners Association wotua wo ma no wode krata ekoma mampani se womra na ensem wontwa banhwe no ho abete let we free chief of staff for yes say our shen ka we ntime ho krata ka no so a wonton na wa ma ho krata ntimpani fo hwehwem
Sefas ene ye Center for Aging Studies won ni University of Ghana Legon for won awade no emfi adunie won apa ho ntoma
unim sa amanyoko foforo aba won akosha se afiri asantemantam mu Ghana base ne ye de frɛ won na ajako aka Bedam waka ho ya malamisa ye wo mutitene ni e wa santemantam a wono mo se je se third force bi ba na Ghana ye ho asamforo ye
eno na onimnyamfo Frank Anodom press sa third force ya wo mo ka nyina no yɛmfa ho ntansa nyina nkɔbɔ ndc foɔ san sɛ wɔn na te aban mu a wɔn mu bu man ne pɔtɔɔ sɛ kokɔ akuafo wɔn ntumi ntu amaka ɛnso bi nya millions and billions ɛde wuram sɛ yɛde boa ama sidi no ɛtumi agyina na so na sɛ wei yɛde kyerɛ man a ɛbɛyɛ yie abusua na nsɛm na ahodo bebree ɛka wei no ho ɛna anuanom bɛn no yɛgye brɛ ɛbɛsane mu kama ɛde ma wɔbra na asafo kantanka ɛne Denise wɔn de yɛn nam Facebook ne YouTube ne so na Alex mo so gu ɛwɔ MCR hɔ a wɔn de yɛn nam Sompa TV live loud and clear ama wɔn nyɛ bi ahwɛ no asan so atietie bi kama paa anuanom no yɛn mienu ɛyɛ ɔbrempɔn nana kwaku ampo